Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I really had a productive day today. I have 3 packages. I have 3 orders that has been dropped. I received 3 packages individual. One was 1 package, and this is another one that I have purchased from Star. And I had to go to the post office to pick it up because there was a custom fee on it. I did do a yarn unboxing. She sent me a couple of cones. On that one, I did not have custom. So here, because I do lots of yarn unboxing, people ask me what is custom. This is what it is. So I paid $43.81 for this small package, believe it or not. It's only 2 cones I ordered from her. Oh, it says 3. Never mind, it says 3. And then she wrote down the price. Yeah, she wrote down so many details. Maybe that's the reason. I don't know. So anyways, I paid it. If there was no custom, they usually drop it at the community box. So this is how much I paid. So this is the custom fee. Canada Post charged me. This is regular post because if she shipped it with UPS, I pay more. Think about it. If she shipped it with UPS, I would have paid double this fee. Okay, so let's open it. I want to talk about, and I did explain this too on my tutorials as well, but people keep giving me the thumbs down when I talk about Angora rabbit yarn. I don't know why. Okay, these animals, rabbits, they need to be, their hair has to be removed, or else, because you need to remove them, like they don't shed, right? So what you need to do is, it's like, dogs, cats, they shed, right? So but rabbits don't. You have to personally remove them either. And then there's lots of videos how they do that, like they don't harm the animals. So that's the reason I go and buy these fibers. I never heard. I even have this lady in France. Hi, Frederick, if you're watching this, she explains on her tutorials, on her videos, how she harvests their fur without harming her rabbits. These are our animals. Like, why? Yeah, unfortunately. So is this upside down? So I get that a lot. Like, I'm an animal lover. I had a dog. She died in my arms. So she was old. That's why she passed away. She was 12.5 years old, and I would never ever harm animals, and I would never buy places that it would be harmed, right? So I just want to point that out while I'm opening this. Okay, this lady, Star, she lives in New York, and then she has her business from her parents, so she's running it now. And what's it called? And I did put the link below. It's a famous place called BELANGOR Yarns. Her last name is Galler. So yeah, and you need to buy in bulks from her to get a discount. So I said I wanted pure white. So what she said to me is they try to collect all the yarn in America, fibers, and then take it to the mill. And then they have to bleach it because it's pure white. I don't have enough pure white. So she said the color did not come up pure white. I said, never mind. That's okay. I'll just take it because it should be wider than what I have, right? Okay, she packs it nicely. And I will put her link below. Okay, 2 cones. That's all. Yeah, this isn't pure white. I can see it right away. It's like off-white. Oh, that's okay. See how it is? So I ordered 2 cones from her, and I can knit 2 shrugs from out of one. small size up to medium. So I ordered 2. I just want this in my stash. So I paid 500. How much was it saying on the box? So I paid total $550 when you round it, and I paid $73 for the shipping. It says it all, everything here. So I paid 548, so 550 rounded, and then the shipping was $73.30. Last time she shipped me a huge box and I paid like 53 something. So I don't know what's up with this. She said the prices went up. So the box, the other one was like heavy. It was about 5 kilograms or something. I still have that box here. So yeah, I'm just gonna grab my pure white that I have and then show it to you. Okay, so actually these are made in America. It says made in France. So that's what she messaged me, that they maybe in France they couldn't bleach it. The factory couldn't bleach it. Maybe that's what she was trying to say. It says 100% French Angora rabbit. It's very fur, like halo, fluffy when you knit it up. So that's the reason I go back and buy it from her, because it's nice and fluffy. I did try other places, but they're not fluffy as this. And other places I bought other brand names. They're more expensive. It cost me more. And I haven't increased my bridal shrugs prices since 2009. 2011, I believe I started them. And I might need to, because the shipping price is going up, right? And the yarn is going up as well. So I don't know. I have to think about that. But let me just compare the pure white. And the background is white as well. You're getting confused, but let me fix this and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'll show you a different brand. I believe this is 80% rabbit. Can you see? Like, this one doesn't have much fluff compared to this. And so this is whiter than this. So I would, you know, it's not pure white. So it's a tint of white, off of white. But this is like off-white, like ivory color. And yeah, I don't have any pure white left, I believe. So I looked everywhere. Maybe I have a ball or two, and I need more. So sometimes it's really hard to find the color that you need. And just wanted to show you. Yeah, so this is, I bought this from Etsy, just to show you. And this is 80% Angora, 20% wool. And yeah, but it's this is 100%. But also you need another yarn just to knit it up with it. I never knit it alone, because it's 100% Angora rabbit, right? You need to. I know they're pretty strong, like it doesn't break easily, but yeah, I would just because when I hand spun my Angora rabbit, I use a helper, like a protector yarn, a thread, just to, yeah, to have it strong. So I wanted to share you this small unboxing. I'm going to be coming up with another big box now. And yeah, so I'll see you on my next video. I just wanted to say, like, these animals are not harmed. They need to be harvested every 3 months. Like, you need to pull them, plug them, like from their they feel more comfortable when you do that, or else, you know, they get the heat, they get hot. So you need to get rid of the old fiber, because every 3 months they have new hair coming underneath. So this is what they are from, and that's why these yarns don't usually shed often if it's done properly. So I just wanted to share you this. And yeah, the Angora rabbit yarn is really hard to find, and it's very expensive. Therefore, when I knit them up, the price is high as well with the shipping. So I hope you like my unboxing. It's just a short one, and I will come back to you with a bigger one. and we'll go from there. So happy knitting, happy crocheting. Stay tuned.